makofi anapokuja kuzungumza. Karibu sana.
Your Excellency, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, GACHAGUA, the chief guest of this occasion, Dr. Sabina Chege, also the Governor of Embu, together with the CS of Lands, the various leaders from the Senate, from the National Assembly, from the assemblies, and also the people of Muranga, in particular Kigumo. Let me take this opportunity to welcome Your Excellency and also everyone to Muranga County. And we are very glad for this occasion, and that's why we have come to support Sabina, because it is important we support education. Your Excellency, Muranga County government has a vision to actualize what UDA promised the people of Kenya. We knew there is something that you shall do as the national government, lakini sisi kama counties pia tunajua tulikuwa na mzigo wa kufanya vitu fulani. Diposa sisi tukaanzisha miradi ambayo inajaribu kusukuma wananchi mbele. La kwanza, Your Excellency, palikuwa ile promise ya minimum guaranteed return. It is on that basis Muranga tuli-establish minimum guaranteed return ya maembe, ikitarget watu wa Muranga wanakule chini, na watu wana huku juu tukaleta minimum guaranteed return ya milk. Hivi sasa takriban watu 20,000 farmers, every month they receive direct support from the county government direct into their counties. And to us, that is actualizing what UDA had promised. Your Excellency, God willing, in the next 1 month or so, we shall add the number of farmers. Watoke 20,000, wakuje 43,000, and a guaranteed minimum return ya maziwa. Your Excellency, there was the issue concerning youth unemployment. Muranga County has established Muranga Youth Service. Kwa hivi sasa tumepatia vijana takriban 2,000 every day wanapata kazi ya kusaidia kufanya environment clean in our urban areas. And after that, tutawapeleka village polytechnic, then thereafter we shall give them seed capital ili waweze kujimudu. That is helping to address hii problem ya alcoholism, because one of the reasons young people cite ya kufanya hiyo maneno ni kukosa kazi. But we believe through Muranga Youth Service, we'll be able to cater with that issue of young people lacking jobs. Your Excellency, there was the issue concerning smart city. We know national government is the one that does tamaking in the rural areas, and it's a very expensive endeavor. But us as a county government, tumeamua kutarget urban areas. Last financial year, tuliweka tamak 7 areas, but this financial year, we shall do another 8 towns. Last includes Kangare, which is the main town in this region. But we know this financial year, other counties zitapata rami in the main markets, including Mudhidi in Kigumo. Your Excellency, healthcare is a major concern of these counties, together with the national government. As a county, we established a partnership with NHIF called Kang'ata Care. We currently insure 40,000 households. They get free medical services. That translates to 160,000 persons. We hope Kang'ata Care haitamalizwa na SHIF. We had a discussion with the majority leader. Once the regulations come to the Senate, muensure musimalize such schemes which have been supported by counties. Your Excellency, finally, we believe healthcare can only become better if we are able to track medicine availability in all our medical facilities. That is 157. To do so, tumeforsiwa to do something called automation. In collaboration with the National Government Ministry of Health, we are automating our services. We have done about 8 or 10 health facilities. We hope in the next few months we'll have all 157 fully automated. We'll be able to track drugs availability. Those are some of the interventions we are doing to lift the people of Muranga, because we believe we made a promise. We have no other option than to do that. Let me also take this opportunity to thank you, together with the President, for coming to Kangare to launch our UJI program. We give every day Uji to 42,000 ECD learners. That ensures our poor children who cannot afford to go to school because of lack of food, they get support from the county government. And to that extent, we believe we shall go forward. I will conclude this by telling my sister Sabina that county government of Murang'a will complement your efforts in bursaries. This year, we divided our bursary in 3 forms. MCAs, every ward, we gave it 2 million, and they were able to give to several parents. Then we came up with a scheme of the best pupils in every primary school, KCP, got 15,000. So to transit our children to high school, we believe that will complement your very good efforts in making Murang'a great. Allow me to call Governor Embu to also give her support and tribute. Thank you.
Thank you very much.